Hello everybody. Today what I have here is this isn't one of my custom pin locks. This is Pickbeard's number 10. Now Ricky Wales sent me this lock, but when he sent it, he didn't send it fully intact. Thanks Ricky anyway for sending it, but it wasn't fully intact the whole lock. So basically I didn't know which order the pins went. So I've just put the pins in, how I think, because the lock was fully gutted, and um, I've just put them in and I'm just gonna have a go at the lock. So Pickbeard, I should have really got in contact with him and asked him how the pins went, but I just couldn't. To be honest, I couldn't be bothered. So in a way, that is my fault. It's locked up. I'm using homebrew music wire tension. Honestly, guys, these tension wrenches work magic. I don't know what I would have done without if I didn't have these. Uh, if I didn't have these, because certain locks, pry bars don't fit, and these are bang on. So I'm gonna start with pin one and work my way. Capiche is one of my Capiche picks, but it's an old one. Sorry guys, just so you get a good view. I'm gonna start with pin one and work my way towards the back. Two, very light tension, almost nothing. Three, give me a little bit of a fault set there. Four, five, yeah, five's down. We're working around the camera today, so I'm getting that fault set, see. Oops, I forgot to zoom in. So we're in a fault set now. There we go, pin one, we knocked it. Basically, it was pin one, and we was working around the camera, so it's a bit difficult. There we go, there's the lock. I'll just get everything in view for you. There you are. Oops. There you go, that is the lock. Now we're gonna gut it. I don't know, I got this a bit ago. I don't know whether I have added one of my own pins or not, but I don't think I have. Where's my plug follower? Oh, it's here. Bit not on the ball. After that, still been picking the GG locks, practicing on them every single day. Just trying to, work out the best way, learn about the GG locks. Oh, come on. No, don't do this. Yes, yes. Everything went smoothly, guys. Huh? Weird. There's no countermilling in the core. One, there. Two, normal, standard. Three, standard. Four, standard. Come here. Five, standard. Now we're gonna blah 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 work out these pins. So pin one, wow, check. Shit, I think that was a key pin. Check this. Pin one's a key pin. Pin one is a key pin, but it's a serrated one. Nicely done. Pin two, wow, that's nice. Pin two is like one of them ASA pins, but serrated. Pin three, is a normal spool. Pin 4 is serrated, and pin 5 is a normal spool as well. And he has threaded, I don't know if you can see there, he's threaded the chambers, which I'll show you in a minute. So there we go, we're going to show you the key, nothing on the key pins, but look at them drivers, look at that driver, 1, 2, 3, really nicely done. Now there's no counter milling on the core that I can see, but he has threaded the chambers there. If you can see, 1 minute, I'll have to put it down and press, come on, I'll have to press the focus, and there you go. If you can make that. Thank you very much for the lock, Pickbeard and Ricky Wales. Had quite a good fun picking it. Oh wait, yeah. So see you on the next video, guys.